Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Moon Day. International Moon Day is observed on 20 July to commemorate the first landing of humans on the moon. It additionally aims to raise public awareness about sustainable moon exploration and utilization. International Moon Day or IMD was declared on 9 December 2021 by the United Nations General Assembly in resolution building upon the recommendation of the Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space. Notably, the first landing of humans on the moon was accomplished by the Apollo 11 mission. During this mission, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin set foot on the moon's surface as the first humans, while Michael Collins awaited their return in the Columbia Command Module in moon orbit. This marked a historic feat in moon exploration and paved the way for future research and discovery. With the birth of space activities, the moon became the ultimate destination of countless missions.